Salam alaikum. Shalom aleichem. Peace be unto you.
Same to you.
Thank you. So I already got 2 of my 3 yarmulkes exposed. The third one is for 13 years. I've been the rabbi of Congregation Beth Shalom in Wilmington. I love Irfan Patel, the Interfaith Chair of the Islamic Society of Delaware, who reached out to me about today. He, his family, and his friends have been our synagogue's guests at Shabbat Sabbath services, Sukkot festivals, and even our Interfaith Model Seder for Passover last month. If Irfan Patel asks me to do anything on behalf of the Muslim community of Delaware, I do it.
Thank you.
Aside from my friendship for Irfan, I did need to ask myself, why exactly am I here addressing you this afternoon? I came up with 3 possible answers. 1, Ibrahim, peace be unto him, was the father of the Jewish, the Christian, and the Muslim people. His son Isaac was our next patriarch, and Ishmael was the Muslim people's next patriarch. That makes Jews and Muslims cousins.
Yes.
And when your cousin asks for help, you help your family.
True.
Second possible reason why I'm addressing you this afternoon. 36 times in the Torah it states, you were slaves unto Pharaoh in Egypt. Therefore, you will treat the widow, the orphan, and the stranger in your midst with kindness. I am the Lord your God. The widow, the orphan, and the stranger are the Holy Trinity of the Torah. They stand for anyone who is marginalized. In truth, it shames me as a loyal American who loves his country passionately that Muslims in America are sometimes made to feel marginalized, necessitating rallies such as this one. And my Torah, my Jewish faith, demands that I stand with the marginalized. So, hineni, here I am. My prayer is that in times to come, rallies such as this one will not be needed, as all Muslims will be made to feel truly at home in America as they deserve.
Thank you.
If I needed a third reason to justify why I'm standing before you today, I'd like to quote Martin Niemöller, the great Protestant theologian of the Holocaust, who wrote, "First, they came for the socialists, and I did not speak out because I was not a socialist. Then they came for the trade unionists, and I did not speak out because I was not a trade unionist. Then they came for the Jews, and I did not speak out because I was not a Jew. Then they came for me, and there was no one left to speak for me." In the years leading up to the Holocaust, there was simply no one to speak up for the Jews. And as a result of that worldwide silence, including silence in this country, Adolf Hitler thought he had the world's permission to exterminate 6 million of our people, a catastrophe marked only 2 days ago with Yom HaShoah, Holocaust Remembrance Day. So now, when members of Delaware's Muslim community asked me to stand with them, with my own people's recent experience of the Holocaust to guide me, how can I morally or ethically do anything but stop what I am doing and join my Muslim brothers and sisters in solidarity. To do anything less would be to forget my own people's history. And as the philosopher George Santayana wrote, those who fail to learn from history are doomed to repeat it. For all these reasons, and especially in the name of personal friendship, I stand with Delaware's Muslim community today. Osei Shalom Bimromav. May the one who makes peace in the heavens, Hu Ya'aseh Shalom. May God make peace upon us. V'al Kol Yisrael, and all people who struggle with God. The Kol Yoshvei Tevel, and all who dwell on earth. And let us say a heartfelt Amen.
Amen.